Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. Quantity takeoff for building estimating and costing. We offer a comprehensive training program to help you master quantity takeoff (QTO) for building estimating and costing. We offer training in quantity takeoff for building estimation and costing in certificate, diploma, master diploma and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of accurately measuring and quantifying materials and labor needed for construction projects, empowering you with the skills needed for precise project cost estimation and budgeting. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses. Understanding quantity takeoff, QTO, principles and techniques. Measuring and quantifying materials for various building components. Quantifying labor and equipment requirements for construction activities. Organizing and structuring QTO data effectively. Integrating QTO data into estimation and costing models. Analyzing and presenting QTO data for project budgeting and estimation. Efficient project management strategies for quantity takeoff and costing. Enroll in the quantity takeoff for building estimating and costing course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this crucial aspect of construction project management. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.